Wow, look at this. Now this is restored. So somebody's taken the effort to bring this thing back. Again, another example. This one is called Snowtamer. They had generic names when they were sold in the hardware store. But a little tiny Husqvarna motor. This thing was manufactured in Canada, I see by the tag. Just a very basic machine, but you could take these to another level. I want to show you this one next door, where this is, I think, kitty cat by origins, but they made it to look like a Merc Trail Twister. Yeah, so this is a kitty cat, and people actually are making these hoods for other brands. So I want to give credit to the person. They weren't exactly an Arctic Cat guy, but they sure were a Merc guy. So he had taken an Arctic Cat kitty cat and modeled it after the Trail Twister. I just love the looks and the style of this thing. So the person is very pleased.